Hello! Good day, ya babies! Yes, today, magla-live selling tayo. Char! Hindi pala, hindi. So, let's do taste test today, no? So, we bought this from Landers. Iba-ibang food, no? Galing sa iba-ibang bansa. Let's see kung is it yummy or is it tasty? Okay. Let's find out. Meron tayong mga drinks, chips, and biscuits. Are you ready? I am ready! Paano ba natin sisimulan? Alin ang mauna? Taste natin itong mga to. So, we have here biscuit. Biscuit na may cheese. This is product of Japan. Let's taste it. Ta-da! The biscuits. Tiny biscuits. Ang liit. Meron siyang cheese sa gitna. I will taste it now. Lagay ko na sa baba kasi tapos na to. Isa lang. Look at that. It's so cutesy. Naghiwalay ko. Crunchy. Meron siyang spicy na lasa. Yung cheese niya. Hindi yung lasa ng typical cheese natin na maalat-alat. Parang siyang may tea, gano'n na lasa. Thumbs up. It's yummy. Crunchy, yummy. Tasty. Next. This is Cantoncini Toscani? Ano yun? Oh, sorry. Hindi naman tayo marunong. Asolo Dolce. This is a product of... Saan nga? Asolo Dolce. Sorry. Basahin lang natin kung saan siya galing. Couldn't find it. Kasi yung sulat niya parang, alam yun na. Yung foreign language. It's from Italy. Italy. Let's try this one. Cute, naman na. Bukasan mo dun lang. Flip mo lang. Sabi niya may almonds daw. Look at that. It's bread. Yeah, right. Bread nga na mayroong almonds. Parang may nakapalaman na almonds. Higas ba? tastes like baked bread, cookies, parang ganun. Yan yung taste niya. That's good. Try natin tong may almonds. Good. I like it. Oh, diba? Yummy. About this one. This is Nestle product. Common to. Kilala natin. Fitness. Yan siya. Parang dried the fruit seeds and the basta, yun na. Cranberry seeds daw. Okay. Ito. From Switzerland. This is from Switzerland. Let's try it. Pang morning food to eh. Okay. Okay. Cereals. Ayun cereal with fruits. Ganyan. Matamis. Tastes as good to my friend. It's yummy. This is good. Kainin ko para every breakfast. May seal siya. Paano ba to? Ouch. Yeah. Pwede mo yung partner sa milk. Yes, so next natin is drink banana flavor. It's Bengray. I don't know if it's correct pronunciation. Pero according sa box, this is the number 1 drink daw sa Singapore. I don't know if it's true. Let's try it para may panulak tayo. You ready? Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it. Yeah, like that. Tastes so good. Sarap. Not too sweet. You can taste already the banana flavor. Sarap. Parang maubos ko na. No wonder if it's number 1, kung totoong number 1 sa Singapore. It's yummy. Okay, next. How about this one? This is seaweed bites baked rice. So baked rice siya. And it is seaweed flavor. Amoy mo palang amoy seaweeds na. So this product is from Thailand. Yeah, it's from Thailand. Ganito siya, may wheat na biscuit. Oh, sorry about that. Taste na tayo. Hot siya. Sarap. Parang siyang chips na rin. Sarap. I like this one. Yung lasa na is parang siyang salty like. But not too salty ha. Sakto lang. Tapos, malasan mo talaga yung seaweeds in it. This is yummy. I like it. Okay. Less sugar, cookies with chocolates and cranberry daw. It's a cookie, Baguti Sweet World. This is from Poland. Try it. Sarap. Ganito siya. Malalaking cookie. Okay. Let's open it. So big naman. This is so big. Oh my gosh. So big. So meron siyang cranberry in it. Meron din siyang raisins and some chocolate chips. Try. Sa typical cookie taste. Okay na rin. Okay na rin. Ang bago lang is yung cranberry niya. Of course, hindi natin common na lasahan sa mga cookies dito. That's why it's good. It's good. The taste is not too sweet. Sakto lang. Paano lang. Yummy yung banana drink. Next. This one, na-open ko na to kasi kinain namin ng baby ko kagabi. This is yummy. Hindi ganito naman yun. Let's buy 5 pieces. So, this is siya 5 pieces. There's 5 pieces in it. This is from France. Wow, bilis ko nahanap ngayon. It's from France. This is a product of France. That's cute. Ta-da! Taste it, taste it. Harap. Milky. Not a typical taste. Meron siyang unique taste talaga. No wonder. Gusto siya ng baby ko. It's milky. Yung taste niya ng milk is very cool. Kainin ko na lahat I like it. Can we try this one? Milk. Milk. It's almond coca. Unsweetened. This is unsweetened milk. With from almonds. This is from Wait. Let me find it muna. Kung na naman mahanap eh. Century later na naman eh. Ah, it's from Thailand. Okay. Let's try this one. Bango. Harap. It's unsweetened niya. Pero, masama talaga yung linamnam ng gatas ng almond. Ganda to i-pair dun sa ano kanina ha. Yung fitness. Yung may cranberry. Ano cranberry ba yun? Yung may grain cereals. Harap. Like it. Nakakataba ba to? Siyempre. Next. Okay, next na tayo. I cannot read this, but sabi dito, it's Bourbon. Bourbon. Couldn't read it. This is from Japan. From Japan daw ito. Open it. Open. Ganito siya. Nakasashay na maliliit. Open. Ooh. It's like what's outside. Parehas lang. Parehas. Hap. Meron siyang feeling. Manipis. Yun yung papasarap lalo. Tsaka yung texture ng biscuit. It's so soft. Alam mo yung ano Baguio? Kanutang pangalan. Hindi ko mabigka. Ganun yung texture ng biscuit niya. It's milky. Sarap. The best to, the best. Maganda to sa mga magugustuhan, I mean, ng mga sweet tooth. Next. This is from Thailand din. Kagaya nung kanina yung baked rice. Try na. Ibang flavor lang. Yung kanina is seaweeds. Yung seaweed flavor. This one is parmesan and herbs. Try natin. Yung shape niya is ilang size? 2, 4, 6. Hexagon? Is it hexagon? Of 6 sizes, it's hexagon. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yummy. I like it. Masarap talaga. Eh kasi salty eh. Ako kasi I'm not into sweet foods, but I'm into salty foods. Kasi siguro nagugustuhan ko. It's yummy. Yung taste niya is like alam mo yung pop rice Yun, ganun yung taste niya. Tapos, kasamahan ng ibang flavor. Yun, yung herb, at saka yung seeds. Nagsamahin mo ngayon yun. Yummy. I like it. I like that one. It's yummy. Parang busog na tayo yun. Ang dami natin tikman. Ito tapos na. Last one. Let's open this one. Ito ay parehas nung isa kanina to. Yung isa kong kanina, yung cookies na may cranberries. The taste is just typical cookie. Ganun din. This is from Poland. Parehas lang nung isa kanina. Ano ba? From Poland. Yeah. It's from Poland. Ang lalaki kasi. Oh my gosh. Nag-burp na ako. Lalaki kasi ng coffee. Tada! Smells like berries. So, again, meron din siyang berries. At ano ba itong laman nito? White chocolate daw, cranberries, and goji berries. Ano yun? Para siyang kamatis na maliliit. Oat and cornflakes. Meron siyang oat din. So, made of white chocolates. Yung kanina is black chocolate. Taste natin. Mas gusto ko to. Kasi dun sa isa kanina. Malalasan mo talaga yung ano niya. Berries niya. It's milky. Marami siyang chocolate. Okay. Good. Very nice. Let's do this one. Next. This one. Want. Oven baked. Seaweed rice. Crackers. Oh! Crackers daw. It's from... okay. It's from China. This is from China. Lalaki. Ganyan siya nakasashay. Tada! At parang puro hangin. Dalawa yung laman. Dalawa. Tapos nalagyan ng seaweed sa up and niya. Surface niya. Ay, try natin. Ah! Ang dami kasi siyang seaweeds kaya lasang-lasa mo. Harap. Harap ng cracker. This is cracker. Not sweet. It's salty. Pero hindi siya kasing salty nung baked rice kanina na from Thailand. That's yummy. Very nice. Next. Can I drink muna? Ka magsasawa. Nutella bready. Bready. Sabi na, bready. Eh kasi, nasa loob yung chocolate. May breading siyang chocolate sa loob. Eh, naka-open yun kasi. Inahin namin may lap. Kanina. Ganito siya, isang sachet. Yung isang box, maliit na box, is 6 yung laman. Tada! It's bread talaga, bread. It's toasted bread. Sarap. Yummy. It tastes so sweet. Okay. Inom muna ako Pampawala ng umay. Kasi yung tamis nun. Yummy. Next. Tapos na. Next is... Can you hear that? Do you hear that? This is roasted macadamia. It's from Australia. Try natin. Macadamia. Ganito siya. Partial chocolates, but it's not chocolate. Macadamia, it's a nut. Ganyan siya, matigas. Matigas yung shell niya. Parang buko na maliliit. Ganon. Ito yun. Bake daw, bake. Ganon. Kailangan natin ng pangbukas. Kuha akong pangbukas. Saglit. Alright. Kumuha akong pangbukas. Nice. Oh my God, ang tigas. Tigas! Ganun mo dapat lang. Tigas best. Okay. Kailangan mo siyang i-crack. Kaya nga ginawa na nila ng opening. Smells like nut. Tignan siya. Buksan pa natin yung isa. Ika-crush mo lang naman ito. Ang hirap. Okay. Alright. Like, look. So, it's macadamia. Let's try it. Ang ganyan, buong ganyan. Harap. Sarap. Sarap. Gising natin ang baby ko. Tulog kasi siya. Habang nagagawa ko to. Inantay ko muna siyang matulog bago ko gawin to para walang maggulo. Ano sabi niya? Why? Hindi ko nabasa. Oh my God. Meron pala siyang key inside, sabi niya. Twist to open. Saan yun? Finding key. Ah! Tada! Meron nga. Let's try it. Macadamia nuts. So, merong key. Ito kasing shell niya is matigas. Sarap. Masarap yung macadamia. So, meron siyang opening. Yan. Twist mo lang daw. Insert mo yung key niya and twist. Ah! I see ya! Ganun lang kadali. Gumamit pa ako ng ng knife. Tignan mo naman yung key niya. Stainless. Ang bigat. Ko nakuha lahat na yan. Nadurog ko. Uh-oh. Nadurog. But it's yummy. Sarap. Ang sarap ng nut niya. Napaka-milky. I love it. May ang kunin. Oh. Mas masarap siya sa kastanyas. This is great bite talaga. I like it. Last. Wonton chips. This is baked tortilla. It's from Lebanon. Let's open it and try it. Dali na kasi gising ng baby ko. Hindi natin matatapos yung video. Gising na yung bossing ko. Sarap. Ano na yung lahat na? Basta lasang chips. Potato na fried. Harap. Harap. Meron akong open dito na Cheetos. Naka-Cheetos. This is from product of USA Cheetos. Sarap naman. Okay. Sarap lahat. Hindi ko lang nagustuhan masyado is yung cookie kanina. Hindi ako na-surprise sa taste ng cookie na yun. Yung cranberry. Pero yung isa, harap. Busog na ako. Konti lang kinuha natin pero I'm full. Alright. Bago magising ang aking baby, tapusin na natin to. Alright. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and see you again on my next video. Bye! Mwah.